Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI factory tour courtesy DJI Mavic Air. We'll have that coming right up. Wayne Bottomley recently got a DJI Mavic Air. One of the things that he was not expecting to find was that there was video on his DJI Mavic Air, and it just wasn't video of anything. It was an inside peek at the factory, DJI's factory over in China. So I'm going to go ahead and roll this clip here. And as I roll the clip, now it's a silent clip. There's not much to this. It's only 43 seconds long, but you get to see, obviously, you know, the drone gets turned upside down at this point, and then you get to see some of the technicians at their stations, and you can see that this is a manual process. There's a lot you think that's automated here, but a lot of what DJI does, a lot of those technicians are doing things manually. You can see, you know, they're wearing white coats and hats to prevent dust and dust particles from getting inside the electronic components here. You know, it's just incredible being able to take a peek at how these drones are built. And I think the thing that amazed me the most from watching this is that it's a highly manual process. There's a lot that goes on here and a lot of checks that go with this. So this is very interesting. I'm going to go ahead, of course, and put a link to the description, and you know, definitely go check this out. Leave some comments for Wayne. I'm sure he would appreciate that. This is just a very rare glimpse and peek inside of what it looks like to see inside there. This is a view that, you know, we're not normally privy to, but someone accidentally didn't clear this out in Wayne's drone, so we were able to get this. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.